We saw Mpumelelo Mseleku, he was proposing to his baby mama Tirelo on Izingane Zestembo season 3. Until now, Tirelo, she is still wearing an engagement ring, but we didn't see any sign that shows that Mpumelelo he is willing to marry Tirelo or to send his people to pay the bride price for Tirelo. What about Tirelo's parents? What they are saying? Because Tirelo, she is playing a role like a married woman. Tirelo, she is always at Mayene's house all the times. What about Musamselek? Why he can't tell Mpumelelo to pay the bride price? Because they have got a boy child together. Mpumelelo, sometimes he is not serious when it comes to Tirelo. But Tirelo was the one who allowed to have a child first with Mpumelelo, to stay with Mpumelelo. That's why Mpumelelo doesn't have a hurry, and he was hurry to get married to Amahle. He paid the bride price for Amahle because Amahle, she didn't allow to stay with Mpumelelo without paying any bride price, to have a child with Mpumelelo without marrying her, because it's about yourself. When you take care of yourself, you can't allow a man to do anything with you without marrying you. It's the way Tirelo she did. Tirelo, she is like she was desperate to have Mpumelelo. She was in rush to get married. You remember at that time, Tirelo was telling Fuyokas that I'm pregnant. She looks like she is fixing Fuyokas, but was the one now who is crying about Mpumelelo. Because Mpumelelo saw that Tirelo, she is desperate. At that time, he was proposing to Tirelo on Izingane Zestembo season 3. He was doing it to pass because he saw that Tirelo was angry about Amahle. Why Mpumelelo get married to Amahle, but she was not married to him? That's why Mpumelelo proposed. He doesn't mean with his whole heart at that time. He was doing it to pass. He knows that when Tirelo, when she is wearing a ring, so Tirelo, she will calm down and be happy. That's why you saw after Mpumelelo proposed to Tirelo and she calmed down, Tirelo doesn't have those angers. When she have got anger about Amahle, why Mpumelelo was getting married to Amahle. So Mpumelelo played what I saw to Mpumelelo. He looks like he played a game to Tirelo, what I saw, because he knows that he have to cover that scene he did, because that ring he brought for Tirelo to wear that ring. He was supposed to save that money to go to Tirelo's family and pay the bride price than to buy an engagement ring. I don't understand kids the way they are thinking, because they have got a child together to Tirelo, like Ihlawulo. I don't understand that he already paying Ihlawule for Sengabako, because Pumelelo at that time, he was in fear. He was in fear that Tirelo, maybe she is going to dump him like Fuyokas she did. Because if Fuyokas was complaining, Pumelelo, he knows that when Tirelo, she was angry, he is going to lose all his kids. Fuyokazi, now she is no longer staying with Mpumelelo, and Mpumelelo, now he is missing his kids. He is not staying with his 2 kids. And when it comes to Tirelo, Tirelo was happy. That's why Tirelo was playing like a wife material to Mpumelelo. But it doesn't have a guarantee that it's her husband. The way Tirelo she is doing is the way Mangwawe and Makumalo. Mangwawe and Makumalo, they stayed with the Musamseleku for a long time without marrying them. You understand it? It doesn't have a guarantee. Even now until Mangwawe. I don't know that Mangwawe now have umembezo with Musamseleku. Even Makumalo's umembezo, she was too desperate. It's the way Tirelo is going to be desperate, because she is going to remove that engagement ring if Mpumelelo he is not taking actions to pay the bride price. Maybe Tirelo is enjoying to be a celebrate, to be Museleku's daughter-in-law, because Museleku is very famous. I don't know. What about marriage. I don't think that maybe Tirelo, she is serious. I don't understand.